Herbal teas have been cherished for centuries, celebrated not only for their delightful flavors but also for their myriad health benefits. Unlike traditional teas made from the Camellia sinensis plant, herbal teas are crafted from a diverse array of plants, herbs, and spices, each offering unique properties. Here, we delve into the world of herbal infusions, highlighting 5 of the best options that promise both taste and wellness. Number 5. Handpick, Spearmint Teabags, 100 herbal tea bags, rich in essential oil, refreshing mint tea, non-GMO, gluten-free year-round eco-conscious tea bags. About this item, hand-harvested spearmint tea. Experience the unparalleled freshness of spearmint tea bags, sourced from India, where the climate and soil yield the highest essential oil content with a sweet, refreshing aroma, ensuring a revitalizing experience with every cup. High essential oil Indian spearmint is renowned for its rich essential oils, providing benefits like improved digestion, headache relief, and a mood boost. This potent oil enhances the flavor of our tea while promoting overall wellness, making each cup a delightful treat for your palate and health. Packed in eco-conscious tea bags, packed in round eco-conscious spearmint tea bags that are free from dyes, chemicals, adhesive, glue and chlorine bleach so that you enjoy high-quality spearmint tea. Embrace a balanced lifestyle. Add this tisane that smells good, tastes good, and does good to your daily regime to put a pep in your step whenever you need it. With this nutritious tea made of pure ingredients and no added preservatives, we care for people, planet. We are now a proudly carbon neutral, a plastic neutral brand. We measure our overall carbon plastic footprint offsetted via our investments in environment sustainability initiatives in India. Number 4. Hyleys Slim T5 Flavor Assortment Weight Loss Herbal Supplement Cleanse and Detox, 25 tea bags, 1 pack. About this item, helps promote weight loss, one-step program as simple as drinking 1 cup before bed, 3 simple all-natural ingredients, supports metabolism boost, improves digestion and reduces bloating, a delicious fruity flavor tea, 25 foil tea bags per box to preserve freshness and taste, keto and paleo-friendly, 0 net carbs. Number 3. Celestial Seasonings Bengal Spice Herbal Tea, caffeine-free, 20 tea bags box, pack of 6. About this item, herbal, brimming with cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, and cloves, this adventurous blend is our caffeine-free interpretation of chai. Try it with milk and sugar for a true chai experience. Thoughtful sourcing. Most of our herbs, botanicals, teas, and fruits are purchased directly from farmers around the world. Quality ingredients. We blend our teas from the finest ingredients, with no artificial flavors or colors. Minimal packaging. We use tea bags without strings, tags, or staples to divert waste from landfills. Plus, we print on 100% recycled paperboard, 35% post-consumer content. Your perfect cup. Steep the tea bag in hot water for 4 to 6 minutes and remove the bag for comforting hot tea. Use the same process over 2 tea bags and serve over ice for a refreshing glass of iced tea. Number 2. Twinings Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea, 100 individually wrapped tea bags, tangy lemon, spicy ginger, naturally caffeine-free, enjoy hot or iced. About this item, Twinings Lemon Ginger Herbal Tea, 100 individually wrapped tea bags, tangy lemon, spicy ginger, naturally caffeine-free, zesty citrus flavor of lemon, blended with the distinct flavor of ginger along with blackberry leaves, lemon peel and lemongrass, naturally caffeine-free herbal, 100 tea bags. Did you know, herbal tea isn't technically tea, as it's not from the Camellia sinensis plant? Tisane or infusion is a better name, made from fruit, herbs, spices. Individually sealed tea bags stay fresh. Take your tea on the go in your purse, workout bag, backpack, school or work desk or car. Each tea bag is sealed for freshness, so every cup of Twinings is the perfect cup of Twinings. Hot tea. Pour boiling water over tea bag, steep for 3 to 4 minutes, remove and enjoy. Iced tea. Fill half a pitcher with boiling water, steep 4 tea bags for 3 minutes, remove, then add ice to desired strength. Or use 1 tea bag in a heat-resistant glass. Enjoy immediately. Drink in life. With a signature blend of tradition and innovation, Twinings encourages tea lovers to drink in life by taking small steps towards feeling good and living well, one sip at a time. Sourced with care, Twinings aims to improve the lives of communities from which we source by improving access to water and sanitation, empowering women and enhancing incomes and resilience. Number 1. FullChea Mullen Leaf Tea Bags, 20 tea bags, 3G/bag for lungs, non-GMO, caffeine-free, natural healthy herbal tea for detox respiratory support. About this item, innovative compression technology to ensure the best flavor can be experienced in a short time after brewing. We ground the mullein leaves into tiny powders, then compressed into granules, which contain the concentrated valuable essence of mullein leaf. Easy to brew. The original design intention of this tea bag is to make sure you can get the best flavor in 4 to 5 minutes. Normally, there will be some tiny floaters on the surface of tea. They are the harmless fluff on the mullein plants. Also, some fine powder will precipitate at the bottom of your cup, which will never bother you to drink mullein leaf tea. Wild harvest. We only harvest from wild mullein plants and promise that this is a natural herbal tea without any fillers or additives. Refreshing earthy flavor. Mullein tea has an outstanding herbal flavor. It tastes earthy but quite smooth. Different from the common and describable flavors, it's an authentic natural flavor. Natural breath support. Mullein tea has a variety of potential health benefits. It has been recorded as a natural treatment in some Aboriginal cultures for many years. Its mild efficacy can support your breathing wellness and boost your immunity as well.